हमारे पास आज आई हैं बहुत ही एक कूल सी गेस्ट जिनका नाम है हुमा रेहान मिर्ज़ा, जो कि मेरी दोस्त भी हैं, दुबई से आई हैं। वेरी लकी कि हमें वो मिल गई शो के ऊपर जाने से पहले कि ताकि वो हमसे अपनी अमेजिंग टिप्स एंड ट्रिप्स शेयर करें। वेलकम टू द शो हुमा रेहान, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू, and thank you for having me here today.
Absolute pleasure it is to have you over here. She's the co-founder of TSD Design House. ठीक है, और आज ही हमसे थोड़े से टिप्स एंड ट्रिप्स शेयर करेंगे, बट बिफोर शी डज दैट, व्हाई डोंट यू टेल अस अ लिटिल अबाउट योरसेल्फ, हुमा?
So I'm an interior designer. I've been doing that for the past 4 years in Dubai. It's me and my friend. We started the company. That is why it's known as the Styling Duo. Two friends who got together.
How lovely.
And they started their interior design company.
Oh wow.
Yes, and I think it was one of, it is a pre-COVID baby of what we call it.
Of course.
Because in COVID, when everyone was stuck in their houses, we realized the importance of, you know, creating functional spaces.
Absolutely.
And, you know, spaces that people enjoy being in.
Absolutely.
And I think people also understood that importance.
Yeah.
So we just thought that, you know, we both had done these courses, we both had studied, so now let's help people in
do
decorating their homes.
And I think ये कोविड के बाद तो आई थिंक दिस रियली हेल्प्स, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे अगर आप देखो तो कोविड टाइम पे आप घर में रिस्ट्रिक्टेड थे, तो घर को हम कंफर्टेबल कैसे करें ये बड़ा जरूरी था।
Exactly.
घर में ही रहना पड़ रहा था, राइट? सो वी हैड टू बी होम ऑल द टाइम एंड एट दैट टाइम वी नीडेड समथिंग दैट वुड बी कंफर्टेबल।
Exactly.
सो व्हाट वुड यू से इज योर एक्सपर्टीज घर से जाने में? व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट यू वुड से कि रिजा मेरा फोटे ये है या ये है, यू नो, आई एम गुड विद न्यूट्रल्स?
Yeah, so our personal style is very minimalistic.
Okay.
Which I think requires a lot more effort than, you know, going, let's say, maximalist. But, and I feel I think living room spaces and kitchens are two places that I really enjoy designing and decorating, because I think those are the two places that the family always
is there. Would you like cooking as well?
So I think
because I don't like the kitchen unless I'm eating there.
So in Dubai there are a lot of like open kitchens, and I think the family is always just getting around there together.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like setting that up.
Setting that. You mean a dining table in the kitchen area? People still do that?
People do like a buffet table, like, you know, like bar counters with like stools.
Acha, how interesting.
So yeah, so I really like
कि बच्चे बैठ के खा ले वहाँ पे सुबह नाश्ता, and you know if the mother is even cooking, तो वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. You know those, what do you call them? वो जो inclusive kitchens होते हैं.
Yeah.
Like those that are part of the lounge and you so you do those.
Yeah.
How interesting. Pakistan में है इस चीज़ की market?
Pakistan में I've seen now the new houses that are coming up. They have this open kitchen, and then they have this indoor kitchen.
Yes. Because I just feel like as if अगर मैं kitchen में बैठ के खाना खा रही हूँ तो by the time I get out I'll smell like लहसुन, अदरक, पुदीना and all of those things. I'm not sure कि I mean मैं ऑमलेट की तरह स्मेल करती हुई बाहर जाना चाह रही हूँ घर से।
No, we have those candles and all for that. So
of course, but candles, yaar, with the Pakistani masalas.
That's true.
Okay, so let's say you have a small living space.
Yeah.
ठीक है, so how will you maximize the style of that place? आप कैसे कलर्स यूज करोगी, कैसे सोफाज रखोगी, कैसी चीजें? Give us some tips. Let's say हमारी एक small space है, हम इसको किस तरह कर सकते हैं?
So I think the whole ideology of my company is to not enforce my style. It's actually, I think interior design is a lot of psychology.
Of course.
So I sit with my client and I will ask them that what do they want, what is the primary function that they want in that living space.
Okay.
And I've realized that in a living room everyone wants to keep a TV.
Of course.
You know, so that has
I like TVs in the bedroom, by the way.
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान में बहुत concept है कि TV bedroom में होता है, but I think आप बड़े sedentary तरीके से बस आप बिस्तर पे बैठे हुए हैं, अब आप TV देखते हैं, और वो खबरें भी इतनी खौफनाक सी खबरें हो रही होती हैं कि आप बोलते हो
at night, and then, you know, before sleeping, I think it just disturbs your sleep pattern as well. So I feel the whole concept of having that TV in the living is, so I would suggest is that, you know, creating more multi-function furniture in terms of if you have a TV and you want to put it, so, you know, rather than just keeping it on a TV console, I would suggest having it mounted.
Yeah.
And, you know, creating that media unit, like creating like a whole media unit wall. So if you have like decorative pieces, you could set that. If you have books, you know, you're a reader, you could probably just keep your books, and you could just create a
nice cozy atmosphere.
Exactly.
So Huma, something very interesting. You said na कि आप TV basically mount कर दें wall पे. There are some people like me, जिनको मतलब literally it's a बीमारी you can say कि मुझे setting change करनी है अपने कमरे की. I want my bed facing the right or the left. because I like change.
Yeah.
I get really bored of things very easily when it comes to my room setting especially.
Yeah.
So what do you do अगर आपने wall पे mount कराया हुआ है, वो wiring वगैरह हर चीज़,
Yeah.
do you give that liberty in your structures जिस तरह you do the rooms के they can move it around?
Well, if it's a small space, then the liberty is anyways very constrained.
Yeah.
In terms of that, liberty is anyways very constrained, and then the whole point is to actually maximize your storage as well, right? Because we tend to have so much stuff which we are not willing to let go of either, and we want to decorate because we relate our feelings and emotions to, oh, this candle was given to me, but this frame, so you know, having to either we
hoarding हो जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. I love how you actually connected this to psychology. पता है when I was younger मुझे बहुत शौक था मैं interior designing की Netflix वगैरह पे, much like 2 years 3 years I was still younger but yeah 2-3 years ago
I thought that was a baby series.
Baby I was always into interior, but ये मैंने अभी Netflix पे एक आध recently देखी videos. It was so interesting how they actually organize everything छोटी spaces के अंदर, and how they look at psychology. Okay, let's say hypothetically speaking you're a Sagittarius, and if I was setting up your place, I'll put a lot of fire element that will help you. So do you come from that perspective as well कि मेरी client की personality कैसी है, उसको ठंडा रहने की ज़रूरत है तो मैं नीला कलर यूज़ करूँ? Do you think like that also?
No, not really. I don't. But what I do is that a lot of time clients come to us saying that they don't know what they want, and I feel they exactly know. And I don't want to enforce my design on a client because, you know, by the end of the day, I want you to come to your house and be like, oh, wow, you know, this is exactly what I wanted.
Yeah.
So then we'll just sit through with them. And that's why we have the help of mood boards.
Amazing.
Sample boards. So, you know, I'll be like, okay, but do you have any pictures, any ideas in mind? So they send it, and that's how we create mood boards.
Amazing.
We approve that. Then we have sample boards. So they can actually touch the materials, the textures, that you know what color, how it will look. So
interesting.
yeah,
that's amazing.